Hello students, today we are going to speak about reported speech, discurso indirecto. When do we use reported speech? We use reported speech to say about something that another person told us, like in the past, okay? So, today we are going to speak about three tenses that we will use for reported speech. Present simple, present continuous, and past simple. If you want to report a sentence in present simple, you need to keep in mind that present simple would convert into past simple. We always need to make like one step back. Let's say if it's present simple, it would become past simple. It's very important to remember. That is an example. I want to change jobs next year. Someone told you this sentence. That is direct speech, okay? How it's going to look in reported speech? Look here. He said he wanted to change jobs the following year. What is important here? I want to change job. Present simple, you see that it was changed into past simple. Another important thing is next year is changed into the following year. You will find all those expressions that should be changed in reported speech in the book. And here I have some examples for you as well. Also, please keep in mind to report what someone else told you. You can use this verb said, and in this case it is used without an object. He said, and directly you can say what? He said he wanted to. Or you can also use said with that. He said that he wanted to change jobs. Okay? So that is about present simple. That should be transformed in past simple. If we speak about present continuous, if we heard something in present continuous, for example, she is working at Unimac at the moment. Present continuous, again, one step back. It's going to be transformed into past continuous. Present always is going to become past. So, she is working at Unimac at the moment. In reported speech, it can look like this. They told me she was working at that moment. Yes, she was working at Unimac at that moment. Look, here we used the verb told, yet to introduce the information that we have heard from someone. If you want to use the verb told, you need to use direct object after it. He told me, he told her, he told us, and so on. And you can see here, present continuous, she is working, became past continuous, she was working. Also important, look, at the moment changed, and in reported speech it should be at that moment or then, because we don't really know exactly, yes, what moment, yes, at what moment that happened, okay? We are telling something that happened in the past. And finally, if you are going to use past simple tense in reported speech, it's going to be transformed into past perfect. It's already past. We do not have other tenses. Yes, we have future, simple, and past. So in this case, past simple would become past perfect. That is kind of pre-past, yes, tense. Something that usually happened before another action in the past. So let's look at the example. We moved here 5 years ago. Moved, past simple. And that is a sentence in reported speech. They said that they had moved there 5 years before. You see that moved was changed into past perfect. It's had moved. Okay? And 5 years ago is changed into 5 years before. Again, you see there the verb said. So this verb doesn't need a direct object. It can be just used as it is. Okay? So this is the most important information about reported speech. Remember, present simple becomes past simple, present continuous becomes past continuous, and past continuous becomes past perfect. Thank you.